Welcome back to my Rise Around the World series. This week we're at episode 17. We're still in Asia. The country that we're taking inspiration from this week is Thailand, and we're making pineapple fried rice. Tell me in the comments, will you try this at home? I'm starting by hollowing out the pineapple and cubing the flesh.